waiting on this bag because it's the carry-on bag. I don't like it. The arms, like, they're cute, but like... What is up, y'all? It is your girl, the Black Pocahontas, and your girl's going to PR this weekend. So I got a whole bunch of stuff from Shein. Do you see this box? Yeah. Let's go ahead and try it on, and let's see what we taking. I like the dress, but I don't, right? First, let's talk about, as you can see, there's like lining from like here to like right here that you can clearly witness. Mind you, the dress has, hold on. So the dress is, you know, a diagonal dress, which is really cute. The lining is supposed to protect, you know, your goodies from being seen. Understandable. But I just feel like it's so noticeable, the contrast, that the lining should have been made with the actual seams of the dress. You know what I'm saying? It should have been an overall lining, because this lining is not also at the top. So you want to protect these goodies, but you don't want to protect these goodies. Knowing that it's hard to wear a bra with, you know what I'm saying? So that's my issue I have with this dress. Other than that, like the dress. Very cute. Also, do this look kind of like a discoloration or something going on? Like, I feel like it looked discolored, like this part. And honestly, I'm blind. It could be because I can't see. So yeah. This skirt was so hard to put on. Like, y'all heard what Beyonce said? If you don't try to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Hold up, please don't be. This skirt was it wasn't the hardest item to put on here, but it was, I had to, like a worm, move like a snake, like a snake. Yes, I had to like a snake to get in this. But I've been wanting this skirt since forever. I'm not gonna bring it to Puerto Rico, but I really wanted to buy it, so I got it. And then, you know, I just paired it with this little top. Real stretchy, thin spaghetti noodle scrap. But yeah. It took me forever. Look at me. Forever to figure this out. And what made me so mad is I was trying to put it on. Couldn't figure out how you put it on for the longest time. And then something told me, go look at the picture. And then that's how I was able to get it on. Anywho, it has this slit. Very cute. I like the little design in the front. You know, the shoulders feel very comfortable. You know, it sits nice and hugs the body well. And I really purchased this bag with these shoes for this dress in particular. If you follow me on Instagram, you know how I am about the slits. Like, little hilly with the purse, like, this is stinking cute. This is stinking cute. It looks how I thought it was going to. Yeah, I'm rocking with it. You should too. These people being rude. Y'all hear them? Like, the heck? And then look at her. Anyways, I'm gonna try to talk loud. I don't like it. The arms, like, they're cute, but like when you see the full dress, is the arms is not cute with the full dress for some reason. The slits on both sides, ugly. When you look at it from the side, from the front you don't see it, so I guess it looked cute. The neck, no, it don't eat. I don't know, maybe it's too loose, maybe I need to tighten it, or maybe, and then I was like, oh, maybe, you know, it's a fold down, it's a fold down, boom 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 boom, it still looks ugly folded down. So overall, this dress will not be coming with me to Puerto Rico. I never had plans for it to come with me to Puerto Rico in the first place. I just really thought this dress was cute, but I think the model was sitting down, or I'm probably tripping, I don't know, but if it did look cute on me, I was thinking about wearing it with some green heels, because I feel like green would look better with this, but it's not giving what I thought it was going to give on me. Maybe I need to like get my hair done, get some makeup on, and, you know, get all dolled up, earrings and all that. Overall, I don't like it. So this is the dress. Very cute. Now, if you're gonna wear these, so you need to wear like black panties with this. But these are the shoes that I got to go with this dress. And I would say, when you put this on, don't put it from the bottom up, because this do have a really tight thingy, and if you got some butt, you're gonna break it, stretch it, whatever the case is, and it's not gonna sit on your top right. So you probably want to put it on from your head on down. So this is the top. It does, like, if your head is pretty big, you probably don't want to get this shirt, because this little opening, it don't give you too much room. But this is, you know, it got a pair of tatas on it. I thought that was like cute or whatever. And like this skirt was awkwardly made, and it's too big, but I feel like I can probably like just pin it down in the back or something. I don't know, but it's actually pants. It's a skirt, but in the back it don't look like it's a skirt. It has pants in the lining, and the pants is very, very small and thin, so be careful. But I don't like how it goes down into a V. I want it, so I'm probably gonna fix it to where the belt part comes up a little bit, so you don't see like this. I don't like this V. I'll rather the V be made with the belt. So yeah, I'll probably pull up the belt and then tighten it so it can be more to my liking. But other than that, this is the skirt with the top. So these are probably what I'm gonna wear together with like probably the black jellies that I showed y'all earlier, or I might just wear my alternative little boots. Some people, they got a lot to say, but that's my style. You know, I be on that goth girl stuff sometimes. Excuse the waist trainer. I already told y'all I'm trying to be snatched for PR. But like, I wish this top was tighter. I did get a small because I'm not really too hefty at the top, but the way how you could just work around that, you just tie the back a little tighter and I should be fine. Really like the embellishments right here with the designs, but these are the bottoms. And y'all, I'm not even lying to y'all, I've been wanting this bathing suit. Next month will make a year that I've been wanting this bathing suit and never got it. So I finally got it. Bathing suit is just so stinking cute. Like with like this color blue, these little bright blue sandals with a little bong bag. I think it's called bong, the little bag that the nurses be having. Eats. Can't wait to be on the beach in this. Y'all can't tell me this dress isn't tea. With like these shoes and this right here, I feel like this eats. Like, I'm probably not gonna wear the straps. Probably gonna like tuck them in. Like this or something and wear a strapless. But like a nice little cute little dinner. Come on now, y'all like scrap? Or no scrap? I don't know. I think it's really cute without the strap. So I don't know how to wear this top. It's supposed to be more of like a hole, but like when I try it, it ain't. Yo, I don't know. I don't know. It ain't giving. And yes, I got my weight trainer on because I'm trying to be snatched for Puerto Rico. Yeah, but I don't know. This little shirt, it ain't doing what it's supposed to do. And it's kind of big when I purchase a small. But, I mean, yeah, this is the top. I don't know. Whew, I had to take the waist trainer off. I felt like I was literally like about to fall to the floor. I don't know if it's because I ain't eat yet. But anyways, this got these weird little things going on. And then this is how the back looks. And then this got this thing in the front. I'm assuming they want you to, you know, put this around your neck. That's cool. But I think I'm going to tuck them. Yeah, because I don't know what they got going on. Like, yeah, I think maybe I might even tuck this too. Honestly and truly, I even tuck that. Just like that. How they going on? Oh, okay. And I'm gonna wear these with my little orange little sandals. One time for the cargos. Y'all, the cargos eat. The cargos eat. Like, I've been wanting some cargos like this, just cargos in general, for a little minute. And I'm really obsessed with like the cargo pants little look, because I got this green, olive green cargo skirt. And it's very long. And it has like a zip in the front with like really big pockets like this. Also like in the front. I don't know. They just too cute. And I got like another pocket and then like these two pockets. Like, I don't know. These eat. These eat. It's giving about face. Let's do this again. About face. Right. Put. I was in JROTC for 3 days. So we used to have to do the cadet creed like this. I am a junior cadet. I don't even remember it. But yeah. And then this little Hawaii shirt, you know, it's very trendy with these type of pants. This shirt, it's really cute. I should have had this when I went to Hawaii. Shakas. So you're supposed to like put your clothes in here, and then you're supposed to like zip it closed, and then it turns into like a bag, right? And then you got like a pocket right here, and then you also have yeah, you got a pocket right there. That's what you got. And then on this side, I thought it was supposed to be, okay, maybe I'm tripping, but then you also got like this little pocket. And then they gave you this. I don't know, maybe it's like a, for like your makeup or your toiletries or like your panties or whatever. Or maybe it's even for dirty clothes, your laundry. But y'all, I've been waiting on this bag because it's the carry-on bag, but like, you know, it got your stuff in there. And then also, oh, okay, so this was the pocket I was looking for. So then they got like this little pocket right here. This is not the pocket I was looking for, but anyways, they got like this little pocket right here. I guess I could like put my phone or something right there. But this is the bag fully unzipped. And I'm gonna show y'all when I put my stuff in here how I'm gonna zip it. Y'all, and then they also got this little scrap so you can, like, you know, if you wanna wear it like a little purse, or if you wanna just, you know, y'all. This bag is about to save the game. Like, you will not have to be paying for check bags, because, you know, carry-ons usually come on, or sometimes they'd be like 15 bucks, or most of the times a carry-on is included, but the check is what you have to pay for. So I'm just so happy, y'all. I'm so happy. All right, y'all, so that is the end of the Shein haul. If you want more, let me know. Your girlfriend be in Puerto Rico having a blast from the past. Okay? Thank you.